The 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is a revolutionary mid-engine sports car that offers supercar performance at a fraction of the price. Here's a quick overview. The Corvette features a mid-mounted 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 490 horsepower or 495 horsepower with the optional performance exhaust. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This powertrain enables blistering acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour times as low as 2.8 seconds. Key performance features include available Z51 performance package, magnetic ride control suspension, electronic limited slip differential. The striking exterior design incorporates a low, wide stance and angular lines. The 2022 Corvette Stingray continues to push boundaries as America's premier sports car, now with supercar rivaling mid-engine performance.